Okay, this is the unboxing of air filter for my 2012 Dodge Challenger. I said, girl, treat yourself. I'm kidding, but seriously. I'm doing this one-handed on my phone. I'm sorry if it's shaky. I'm sorry if the video sucks. I don't. Here we go. This is K&N high flow filter. There we go. Get this big box out of the way. Here it is. It's washable, reusable. I actually looked into this filters and I've heard pretty good things about them, so I decided to give it a try. Let's see what we have in here. Filter, of course, nice and pretty, and that's pretty much about it. Just have some warning stickers here. Oh, come on. It does not void your vehicle's warranty, so that's good. Not that it matters, because I already crashed mine. So if you want more power, perhaps I do, but I do not have the money. And hey, sticker to add to my collection. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing of the world's best air filter, K&N air filter. Thank you for watching.